Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you can do is at the keyboard, press Windows and R key together, and by that you would be able to open the small window called Run, where here you need to type for ncpa.cpl. Again, type for ncpa.cpl and click on OK to proceed. Wait until you are being redirected to a new window, which is called Network Connections, where here you need to identify the current Wi-Fi or network adapter that you are connecting to in your in your laptop. Sorry. Okay, so if you're connected to a network cable or Ethernet, proceed with this. And if you're connected to a Wi-Fi, then you must select your Wi-Fi that you are connecting to. So in my case, I can see it here, the Wi-Fi that I'm connecting. Please do a right click and go with disable. Wait until it will be disabled, and once it marks here disabled, enable it again by doing a right click and go with enable. Wait until the enabling process would be done and it will mark here enabled. Once you have it enabled that, try to connect again to the Wi-Fi that you are connecting and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So navigate here at the taskbar and open to it and check if it's being fixed. But let's say if it doesn't, then we need to bound to our second method, which is here at the bottom search bar. Please type for CMD. Once you have typed it, wait until a best match would appear, okay, which is a command prompt system. Where here you need to proceed on run as administrator. So tap the net, and if your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you would be able to open this window. Where here you need to type three command text which are netsh space winsock space reset catalog. So copy it please. Okay. Control V, then click on enter and wait until you will be successfully reset the Winsock catalog. And once done, proceed on typing netsh space int space IPv4 space reset.log and type it here at the command prompt. Click on enter and proceed by typing the third, which is netsh space int space IP reset. Once you're done with all of the three command text, close this window and restart your computer. So navigate here to start icon, go with it and click on this power menu option and go with restart. The moment you have restarted your computer, try to connect to a Wi-Fi again that you are connecting to and check if the problem has been fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think that those two methods help you to fix your problem, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.